This stainless steel single oven from Samsung is ideal if you're looking for a model with fantastic features to help make cooking effortless. With a large 70-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunction oven with great functions including grilling and a convection setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Samsung's dual fan cooking makes sure the temperature in the oven is even from top to bottom. Unlike most models which just use one fan, this oven has two that spin in opposite directions. This ensures your food cooks evenly without flavours and odours transferring between dishes. This model features catalytic liners on the inner walls, which clean the oven while it's switched on. Working best at high temperatures, these liners absorb and dissolve food splatters to help your oven stay grease-free. So, you can save money on expensive oven cleaners and spend less time scrubbing. If you're looking for a model with fantastic features to help make cooking effortless, this stainless steel single oven from Samsung is an excellent choice.